Go, go! You gonna do it on your knees instead? Who needs a walker when you've got a laundry basket? Yeah!
Upsies. Maddie, upsies.
Or just stand there. She steers like I do. Maddie! Maddie! Come here. Can you walk to me? Can you walk to me? Hey. Nope. No walking. You've been walking all morning. Here, go get me the laundry basket. Look. Mama's got the laundry basket. Oh!
One more. Ready? Walk, upsies, upsies.
Too tired. Baby's in the laundry basket. Doo-da, doo-da. Maddie, can you wave? Maddie, can you wave? No, that's a laundry basket. Can you wave? Nope. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? No? Do you need your diaper changed? Do you need your diaper changed? Are you stinky? Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Good job. Good job, clean up. Clean up. Good job. Yay! Clean up. Clean up. Maddie, wave bye-bye.